Hello guys, Nigel here from FCD Ghost Boxes, and some of you out there will have seen that we've relaunched the FCD MK4 Adj, and we're putting an extension on the name there of 2021, the year that this has been rebuilt and relaunched. It's exactly the same as the previous MK4 Adj, in a slightly smaller case, but we think that's quite a good thing. It looks quite compact and adds to the quality of the sound. The case is a lot sturdier, and yeah, really happy with it. I'm building these at the moment to order, and they're going pretty well. So I'm going to give a demo on this and let people decide if they like it or not. The previous MK4 Adj was really popular. We sold hundreds and hundreds of units of those all over the world, as far as Russia, Australia, Canada, America, France, Italy, Spain, everywhere, you know, and there's many more in the UK as well. So people like it, people use it. You know, you get these other people that are rivals that say that FCD products are not what they should be, and this, that, and the other, but we keep the cost of the item down. We don't charge, you know, over the top prices for them. And here you're getting a really nice, compact FCD Ghost Box stroke portal. Remember, it's got a portal built into it. It's got the echo reverb in there, multimedia through Bluetooth, and you can put your phone on top of here. Look, I'll just show you quickly. It's got the phone holder there, so you can run all your Ghost Box apps through it as well, through Bluetooth, so there's no wires all over the place. Sorry, I'm going away. I'll just knock this image off here so that look, you can see me okay. There we go, that's better, isn't it? Okay, what I'm going to do is, before we start, I'm going to do a little demo of what it sounds like. I'm going to run through a little slideshow so you can see around the object, and then we'll go on with the actual demo of what it sounds like. Okay. This is a view of it from the front, well, from the side front. You can see there the aerial and the crystal antenna. This is the controls on the right hand side of the Ghost Box. We've got your reverb and your rate control there. There it takes 4 AA batteries at the back, easy to pop in, easy to get out, and runs for up to 2 hours continuously. There's the front control panel for the multimedia. We've also got the local red button there for local tuning. This is the left hand side. You've got the blue volume knob for the Ghost Box side of things, and you've got an on off switch on both sides, so you can have reverb on or off individually. And that's it basically. It's got a nice triangular front there that we like. It brings it into the paranormal in a way, that, and it's got the lit up you know, as in all the MK4s, the lit up speaker grill there that flashes different colours on and off. It's got an extendable aerial on it, antenna, and this picks up FM, works really well, and you've got, you know, really fast sweep and really slow sweep. So I'm going to show you now how it actually works. So here's the unit, exactly the same as what you've just seen in the slideshow there. The only addition I've got here is because I live in a rubbish area for radio reception, which is the downside of FCD Ghost Boxes when it comes to testing, but we usually get by okay. So 2 switches, one on the side here. You've got the Ghost Box radio there, just turn that on, and you've got the actual FM there. And it'll instantly then, once you've tuned it up with the tune up knob there, it'll start sweeping.
Go to Brisbane. This is happening.
Here it sounds really clear, really nice. You can speed up here the actual rate. That's fast. So you're just getting parts of words coming through. You can slow it down, get a couple of words coming through.
People have been
Or you can have it really slow, so you've got long gaps of white noise between the actual radio snippets. I like it just past the fastest speed. So you get
Yes.
a word or two come through.
And his teeth.
Volume's pretty loud if you want it loud, or you can have it very quiet. That's it quiet. Turn it up.
Brazil.
On the front panel here, you'll have seen in the previous ones, I'm not going to put it on this demo, it's the Bluetooth, you know, side of things. You can have both on at the same time. If I turn it off, right, so now we've got the light on the Bluetooth.
Device is ready to pair.
So there you've got the Bluetooth now, it's ready to pair with your phone. You put your phone on, connect to Bluetooth. I can just pop that in the tray there, connect to Bluetooth, put your apps in, and away you go. You know, you can play them through the actual device. I think there's up to, let's say 10p, but I'd put 6 or 7p, something like that. Great. You've got aux out there, so if you want to record onto a computer, we do include the cable to be able to do that with the actual box. And unique to any FCD Ghost Boxes, you've got in this box here at the side many little crystals, quartz crystals, that we do believe actually attract spirit to the box, so that we can use. Did I hear Robbie Williams then? Funny, because I was just looking at his website the other night. Anyway, maybe there's something on there I need to look at. But, you know, these do pick up. You go to haunted locations and it causes a small electromagnetic field around the box.
Maybe.
Got little feet on the bottom there for you to stand it up. Got a little bit dirty then because I've been working with this one. And with every ghost box we do from FCD, you get a 12-month guarantee for parts. As long as you haven't been inside tampering with it or trying to copy it, which a lot of people have tried to do, they never get away with it. We're quite happy to have them back, fix them for you free of charge, as long as you pay for the return postage. Okay.
Nowadays,
turn it back off. Got to keep this video quite short. But there you are, that's a demo of how it works, what it sounds like, hope you like it. And they are available now. They're available to order on the FCD website. That's FCD Ghost Boxes, all lowercase.co.uk. Or you can find us if you put in FCD Ghost Boxes on Etsy, you'll be able to buy one there. Okay. They are still at £75, the same price they were 2 years ago. Even with the pandemic, we've managed to. We had to wait a while to get the cases. You see, we've had a problem there, which a lot of manufacturers have been, drastically affected by the COVID situation. But we've managed to get the boxes now. We've got the cases, and we're glad that we can offer them again from FCD. Really popular ghost box, the FCD Mark IV Plus Adjust 2021. Thanks for watching, guys.